Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid gel on your face. First, begin with a clean canvas. Gently cleanse your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils that might hinder absorption. Next, it's crucial to ensure your skin is slightly damp. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from its surroundings, so applying it to damp skin helps it pull water into your skin, maximizing its hydrating effects. This simple step makes a big difference. Now let's talk about application. You only need a very small amount of hyaluronic acid gel. Typically a pea-sized drop is sufficient for your entire face and neck. Less is often more with this powerful ingredient. Gently pat and press the gel into your skin using your fingertips. Avoid rubbing vigorously. Instead, use light, upward motions to ensure even distribution and optimal absorption. Focus on areas that feel particularly dry or tight. After applying the hyaluronic acid gel, the next vital step is to lock in all that wonderful moisture. Hyaluronic acid draws water to your skin, but it needs an occlusive layer to prevent that moisture from evaporating. Immediately follow with your favorite moisturizer or a facial oil. This creates a barrier, ensuring the hydration stays put and continues to plump your skin throughout the day or night. Don't skip this step for best results. For optimal results, make hyaluronic acid a consistent part of your daily skincare routine. You can apply it both in the morning and at night after cleansing and before moisturizing. With regular use, you'll notice your skin feeling significantly plumper, smoother, and wonderfully hydrated. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and gives your complexion a healthy, youthful glow. Consistency is truly key to unlocking its full potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.